Hi guys! So we are here on the set of Nothing Compares to You. It's our very first day today, and I'm working with amazing Miss Jacqueline Jose today. So I'm so excited, and I'm looking forward to working with all the different other casts. And since it's our first day, I'm still a bit nervous in getting to know my character, which was Rafi. So enjoy what you'll see from our very first shooting day.
In a secret affair, Anne and Derek play a couple whose engagement is put to the test of Andy Eigenmann's character.
Briefly, it's about a story of friends. Na nagkaroon ng ahasan within the core group of the because of one guy. Briefly yun. But on the side may family story din, both on the side of Anne and Andy.
Anne was fortunate to work with a multi-awarded actress, Miss Jacqueline Jose.
We've done a lot of soap na bata pa siya, nagiging anak ko na siya. 13 pa lang siya, nagiging anak ko na siya. Sa mga telesine, teleserye, 7.
There are things I've done differently.
Iba ang nasa namin ng daddy mo. Ang tanongin mo ang sarili mo. Kung handa ka na ba talaga sa...
Nandito ka ito eh.
Ano ang sarili mo?
Yeah.
Handa na ba talaga kayo?
Anne is so different in this film. Kasi parang we made a conscious effort to naibahin yung attack niya doon sa role. And that's what I like about Anne. When you give instructions to her, when you motivate, she listens intently. Yung very willing siya na ibahin din talaga yung the way she acts and ganon. Yung attack niya doon sa role is so different from the ones she did before.
Action!
But there are things that I would have to unfortunately if I had known. Very few na katulad ni Anne, down to earth. Walang keme. Walang arte. Pag tinawag, go. Siguro dahil kinalakihan na rin niya yung showbiz. So, parang sanay na rin siya. Hindi siya nagpapaantay.
Si Anne, ang maganda sa kanya, when she's on the set, ready na siya about everything. And ang gusto ko sa kanya kasi pagdating pa lang niya, yung outfit niya, hinahanda niya, even the makeup, kung paano niya, kung ano yung look niya. And somehow kasi nag-graph namin yung from the start of the movie, kung paano magta-transform, yung itsura, etc. Pati yung character. So lahat yan naka-graph, and that's what I like about her. She's very open to that, yung mga ganong Hindi yung basta na lang na sa set, bigla na lang may changes yung ganon. We're open to changes, but then, iba rin yung kasi yung prepared ka as an actress, di ba? Yung pagdating mo sa set, you're in character, you know what to do, and I think yun yung maganda kay Anne. She's always prepared pag nasa set siya. Ang bilis niyang bigyan ng instructions, ang bilis niya to get into the character.
Oo, syempre, I'm lucky to be part of this film. Kasi, medyo maganda talaga ang takbo ng career ni Anne. Ngayon, putok na putok. And I saw her movie na ang daming tao.
We're done with the first day. Can't wait for the next shoot.